Good morning, one and all present here. My name is Prince Raj. I am from BSc IT from second year. Today I am here to give a presentation in C++ under the guidance of Amit Shukla sir. So today our topic is inheritance. So inheritance, inheritance is a fundamental concept of object-oriented programming, and it is a mechanism by which one class is allowed to inherit from another class. Inheritance create new classes based on existing ones, and also a class that inherited from another class can reuse the method and also the field of that class. So let's us example of inheritance, like real based example employee role in C++. So in a company there are various employees are working in this company, and also have a different name with different ID, means on identical informations, and also all employee have different work, like as a developer, as a HR, as a uh, intern. So now I so this is the code in C++ of inheritance. So our base class is employee, and our derived class is as a manager, developer, and intern. So this is class of employee, our base class, that is called employee, and our derived class is as a developer and intern also, and like same. And this is our function that developer, manager, and also intern, like with on display detail, like and also I can run this code of here. As you can see on the board, that is a name of Rahul on the class, and the ID is 101, and and the role is manager, planning, organizing, and leading team. Second one is Amit, that is ID is 102. He is a developer and is writing and debugging code, and also same similar to name with Riya, that is ID is 103, and functionality is intern is a assistant, the team, and the leading task. So that's from my side. Thank you.